Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. If you're into powerful trucks that double as luxury homes on wheels, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Kenworth W 1150 motorhome. And trust me, this beast is not just big, it's brilliant. From the outside, the Kenworth W 1150 still screams classic American truck power. But this time, it's mixed with the smooth lines and polished features of a high-end RV. The front grille is bold and chromed out, the LED headlights give it a modern edge, and those custom side panels? Absolutely gorgeous. It's built on the legendary W900 chassis, but this 2025 upgrade brings in aerodynamic tweaks for better fuel efficiency, something you don't always see on rigs this size. And don't even get me started on the custom paint jobs available. From matte black to deep metallic reds and silvers, the W1150 can match your personality on the road. Now let's step inside, and wow, this is where things really get impressive. The Kenworth W1150 motorhome isn't just a mobile home, it's a 5-star suite rolling down the highway. You've got real wood flooring, Italian leather seating, and a full kitchen with stainless steel appliances. There's a queen-size bed in the rear with memory foam, smart lighting throughout, and even a washer-dryer combo tucked away. It's like living in a high-end condo, but with the freedom to move anywhere. And for the drivers, the cockpit is straight out of a tech lover's dream. A 15-inch digital cluster, touchscreen infotainment with GPS, Apple CarPlay, and even a built-in heads-up display. Comfort meets command. Under the hood, you're looking at a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, producing over 600 horsepower and insane torque. Whether you're climbing steep grades or cruising across flatlands, this motorhome hauls like a freight train while driving smooth like a cruiser. The 18-speed automated manual transmission shifts seamlessly, and with air ride suspension, you barely feel those rough patches on the road. Kenworth's engineers have balanced raw power with touring comfort, and it shows. Safety and tech are top tier here. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, blind spot cameras, and a 360-degree bird's-eye view system. There's also solar charging on the roof to keep essentials powered even off-grid. The smart RV system lets you control lights, temperature, and even tank levels right from your phone. Whether you're in the driver's seat or chilling in bed, everything is at your fingertips. So, is the 2025 Kenworth W 1150 motorhome worth it? If you're serious about road life and want comfort, luxury, and performance all in one mega machine, this rig is hard to beat. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. Hit that like button if you love luxury rigs like this, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic reviews. See you in the next one. And until then, drive smart and live free.